Hi friends, I'm Divya. Today we are in Siddhartha Meditation Pyramid Center, which is taken care by Sirisha Kamedi from Atlanta. Let's get to know about this master today. Hi Sirisha.
Hi Divya.
Hi, so tell it to our viewers what made you meditate for more than 20 years and you're still going so great.
Thank you for asking this question, Divya. Dear Masters, this is my beautiful inner journey and adventurous trip has started in the year 2001. My maternal uncle has posted one book for New Year wishes. So by seeing that book itself, my heart is filled with joy and happiness. That book is written by Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji. So in that book, it's amazed me. Meditation is very simple. You can do any time, any place, anywhere. So that makes me very comfortable. So I started my meditation journey, my inner journey. I could say inner journey because we whatever we are seeing, this physical body is only 0.1%. Rest of the all subtle bodies energy. We call it as term as energy. So once we understand about ourselves, we can transform in a better version. So in that way, my meditation helped me a lot, and from that day onwards, I never turn into the back. I continue my inner journey ever.
Wow, that's so inspiring, Sirisha. So, how have you been utilizing pyramids, or what made you bring up this center?
Wow, interesting question. Actually, in the year 2009, I went to Egypt. So their PSSM masters took a permission in the Giza pyramid for uh, for meditating 20 minutes of time. So I went there and I meditated in the Giza pyramid. You all know the seven wonders of the world. So there I went and I meditated there. Really, it's an amazing experience I got. I felt so much energies and able to connect it to the higher dimensions within a fraction of seconds. So when you connected to that source, it's brings you light into your life. From that day, I'm observing myself. I'm experimenting myself how the pyramids helping to into our daily lives. So I experimented myself to keep the pyramids on the vegetables and the fruits and the water. So I energize the food and water. I'm taking that food, and even for meditation, I create the plates. So whenever we sit under the pyramid, easily we get the emptiness state. From there, we can connect to the higher realms of the world. So it's amazing experience we get when you sit under the pyramid. And I observed it's 24 hours. It's this particular angle, 51 degrees, 52 minutes. It absorbs cosmic energy. So that energy helps us to in many ways. I got healed my allergy cold problems, and one of my friend during her menstrual time, she used her pyramid on the tummy, so she relieved from stomach aches. So many things we can see around us how they got healed, and even so one of our masters experimented before planting the seeds they kept under the pyramid, and after that they are planting. So that seeds, they are energizing the seeds, and that they are looking that crop also, it's very healthy in organic way without any pesticides and all those things. So naturally how it's grown up with energized vegetables, fruits, and all. So many ways experimenting, and we got so many benefits. That's why in Atlanta also, at my home I created a pyramid place to meditate. So I opened this center for the community. So in that way we brought the pyramid energy into our lives.
Wow, that's a great service, Sirisha. You're giving the space and platform to so many people to experience this energy and the pyramid power. That's wonderful. I also heard that pyramid is coming up in Atlanta, a bigger pyramid for the greater purpose and for the open public. So, what is your role in that? What is your contribution in that?
Yes, I'm very excited to see this project because when I moved to Atlanta 7 years back, as soon I came here, I got my purpose of my life. So that purpose is just wanted to bring these pyramids to this land. So I'm in Atlanta now. I'm working for that, and all our master intentions are connecting to this manifest this mega pyramid in Atlanta. So we are very fortunate to connect to bring that project in the Atlanta, and I'm always happy because we got so many benefits, and I can heal myself with the pyramid and crystal technology. So many people will get benefit, right? So they can heal themselves by using this pyramid and crystal technology. So we should create this type of platforms, create this kind of pyramids that helps to everyone. And energy wise also, now the earth is very essential to need that energy. That's why we all are working for that, and we are very happy to contribute to the project to coming up Atlanta Pyramid Meditation Academy for this community. So thank you, masters, uh, for giving this opportunity to me to be part of that project. I'm very happy, Divya. It's our all our dreams becoming
Right.
true.
Right. That is so amazing. It's a great news for all of us.
Yes.
So, if people are outside Atlanta and they're willing to be part of this project, how can they be? How can they contribute to this project?
Wow, it's a good question. It's a good opportunity also. So we already created it's a global donation link. So friends, whether it is small or big, it doesn't matter. Kindly support us, and your pure intentions are welcome. Thank you all the viewers. Thank you, masters.